Hello. This short video, we will learn to find our newly acquired items. So, from the launch page of LS2, we want to select cataloging. Once we select that, we'll need to put in our username and password. And if you haven't updated your password, you will need to do so now. So if it rejects it and says you're not allowed to go in, just put in your new password and click Login. Once you're in the cataloging, you'll go up here to the right-hand corner to Advanced. My internet is super slow. Bear with me. And select Advanced. And then we want to, in this advanced search, we want to select the date item added. We will leave this parameter alone, but this middle parameter we'll want to select before. And then for the date, let's select before today's date. We want to add another parameter and pick our school. So change the location, and then it'll generate your location and search. So this is going to give me a huge result because it populated everything from January until May. And in January was when all of our items from Horizon were added to LS2. So from here forward, you can pick a date parameter, and of course the number will be less of the items that you're actually purchasing. So that is how you find your newly acquired items. If I click on page 3, I will see that my status is no longer available. But that's not a problem. Just refresh your page and the status will appear. Hopefully in this century, because my internet is pretty slow. And there you go. And that will have to happen for every page that you advance onto. You'll have to refresh the screen so that you can see the status of that item. All right, I hope this helps. Have a great day.